everyone, this is a short video on explaining the difference between an explicit formula, which is this one, and a recursive formula, which is this one, for arithmetic sequences. We're going to do two examples, and if you notice looking at this, this one includes our first term, and the recursive formula here is our previous term we're going to use. Also, this one is also sometimes books will use this as your nth term. So you're trying to find the nth term, that's known as your explicit formula. So here we have arithmetic sequences, and we want to write an explicit formula or the nth term, and we're going to use this formula. It's your first term plus n minus 1 times d, and you just want the formula. So all we need to plug in is our first term and our d and simplify. So we're going to do that. We have a sub n equals 5 plus n minus 1 times, and our common difference here is 9 minus 5, or 13 minus 9, which is 4. Then you merely simplify it. Distribute the 4, and you will get 4n plus 1. Now, that formula works because when you're using a sub 1, a sub 2, a sub 3, and then whatever this one is, we'll call this the last term here. What you do is you plug in your n, so let's do the 3, and we can plug in 3, and 4 times 3 plus 1 gives you your 13, which is what we have here. Now the recursive formula is a sub n equals the previous term. This is just a sub n minus 1, just means previous term, plus your common difference. Well, our common difference is 4, so just plug that in. So you get a sub n equals your previous term plus 4. And if we want to plug that in, let's try a sub 3 again. A sub 3 is your previous term. Your previous term is a sub 2, which is going to be 9 plus 4, and that gives you your 13. So that's the difference between the two. If you want, we can quickly do another one, or if you get it, you can just stop. But I have another one here. So I'm going to find my nth term, which is my first term, plus n minus 1 times your common difference. You can just keep adding 3, so your common difference is 3. And then just clean that up. So this will be 3n minus 1. And if you plug in, like I said before, your index numbers here, you plug in 3 again. You plug in 3, get 3 times 3 minus 1 equals your 9. And then your recursive formula, so that's your explicit formula or your nth term. Your explicit formula is a sub n equals a sub n minus 1 plus d. Our common difference is 3. And so plug in this 3 again. So a sub 3 equals a sub 2, the previous term, plus 3. So a sub 3 equals 5 plus 3, which equals 8. And this should have been an 8. All right, that's it. Thank you. Have a very nice day. Bye-bye.